HVAC Cleanroom Ceiling Construction. Presented by Learn GMP Incorporated in collaboration with Technical Training and Consultation Service. Cleanroom ceilings represent a critical interface for contamination control. While positive pressurization helps limit external particulate intrusion, it may inadvertently expel internal contaminants. Proper ceiling and ceiling grid design based on cleanliness class are essential to preserve environmental integrity. The following considerations should be observed. Ceiling and grid systems by cleanroom classification. Cleanliness class. Class 1000 and above. Ceiling grid system. Gasket aluminum T-bar with 1-inch face T. Sealing method. Vinyl/compressed gasket plus clips. Ceiling panel type. Vinyl coated or blank aluminum. Cleanliness class. Class 100. Ceiling grid system. Gasket aluminum T-bar with 2-inch face T. Sealing method. Vinyl/compressed gasket plus clips. Ceiling panel type. Blank aluminum only. Ceiling and grid systems by cleanroom classification. Cleanliness class. Class 10 and cleaner. Ceiling grid system. Modular T-bar grid with gel seal. Sealing method. Knife edge into gel groove. Ceiling panel type. Blank aluminum only. Mechanical supports. Class 100 and cleaner, ceiling grid supported by all-thread rods with struts and turnbuckles for enhanced stability. Class 1000 and above, 12-gauge hanger wires used for grid, 10-gauge hanger wires for filters, installed at grid intersections. Key features. Gaskets, vinyl or similar, compressed between ceiling T and panels for airtight sealing. Hold-down clips maintain gasket compression across non-access panels. Gel grid systems utilize knife-edge filter frames sealed into gel-filled grooves. Ideal for ceiling layouts dominated by fan filter units. Thanks for watching our channel. Feel free to reach us at contact@learngmp.com for any training and consultation requirements.